What's up guys, we have Samsung A70 not charging perfectly and sometimes stop charging. So in this case we are going to open the device and see what is the problem. We need to heat the back plastic case. You can heat at 2°C for every 30 seconds and as you need. This operation takes a long time. We don't need to damage anything inside, so it's better to take your time. There is no need to rush. What we are doing exactly is to heat the adhesive so the adhesive can go soft, then we can remove it. We need to push some plastic piece inside the plastic and the frame. Remember, there is two flex cable, one for the screen and one connecting the main board to the charging board. So when you put the plastic piece inside, don't go in the middle, just on the edges. Just go on the edges. You can heat whatever you want, so you can do the job easy. We are almost finished. A few little more adhesive, then we can remove it. Okay, the plastic is off now. Remove all screws from the board. Now remove SIM card slot. Then we can remove the frame. Just swipe with your nails and your finger and that's it. This device has been opened before. There is adhesive all over the frame. This is so sick. They shouldn't put all of this adhesive. There is original adhesive is better than this. I don't advise you when you close the board to put all of these adhesive. As you can see, it's stuck to the board. This is so sick. Okay, it's removed. Now unplug the battery first. Remove charging board flex cable and fingerprint and screen flex cable. Then remove antenna. As you can see, we are going to replace the whole charging board with a new one. This job is easiest. You can replace the charging port itself if you have it. Sometimes it's just better to replace the charging board. That's it. Now you can assemble and test back, see if the problem has gone or not. Our problem was with replacing the charging board. The problem has been resolved. All perfect. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. That was for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.